What if you were to eat 50 eggs a day? Would it be healthy or dangerous? In this video, we're going to explore the potential consequences of consuming this many eggs in a single day. Eggs are a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. They're affordable, easy to prepare, and versatile. But is it possible to have too much of a good thing? One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and various vitamins and minerals. But if you were to eat 50 eggs in a day, that's 300 grams of protein and 250 grams of fat. That's more than most people need in a day, and it can have some serious consequences. Eating too many eggs can lead to a variety of health issues. For example, excessive egg consumption can increase your risk of heart disease, especially if you have high cholesterol or a family history of heart disease. Eggs are also high in cholesterol, and while dietary cholesterol may not affect everyone the same way, it's still a good idea to limit your intake. Eating 50 eggs in a day can also lead to digestive issues. Consuming too much protein can cause constipation or diarrhea, and it can put a strain on your kidneys. It's important to balance your protein intake with other nutrients like fiber and healthy fats. Finally, consuming 50 eggs in a day can have an impact on your overall health. It can cause a spike in blood pressure, and it can also affect your mood and energy levels. While eggs are a healthy food, it's important to consume them in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. So, can you eat 50 eggs a day? Technically, yes. But it's not recommended, and it can have some serious consequences for your health. Stick to a moderate amount of eggs each day, and pair them with other healthy foods to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and nutrition tips.